Welcome to our analysis of Adobe Firefly boards, a powerful tool designed to streamline creative workflows. This platform is part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, aiming to simplify collaborative work and project management for creative teams. Firefly Boards is all about helping you create, manage, and share your creative assets with ease. It's particularly beneficial for graphic designers, digital artists, and marketing teams. Stay tuned to learn more about its key features, pricing, and best use cases. Adobe Firefly Boards comes with a host of features. You can create and manage multiple boards, each dedicated to a specific project. It also allows you to upload, organize, and share assets like images, videos, and documents. You can invite team members to collaborate and comment on these boards, promoting seamless communication. And it integrates with other Adobe Creative Cloud apps, allowing you to bring in assets from Photoshop, Illustrator, and more directly into your boards. As part of Adobe's Creative Cloud suite, Firefly Boards pricing depends on the subscription plan you choose. While it's not available as a standalone product, it's included in both the All Apps plan and the Single App plan for Adobe XD. The All Apps plan, which gives you access to over 20 Adobe apps, costs $52.99 per month. The Adobe XD plan, which includes Firefly Boards, is priced at $9.99 per month. Firefly Boards is best suited for creative teams looking to streamline their workflow. It's perfect for graphic designers who need a centralized location for their assets and feedback. Marketing teams can use it to manage and share promotional materials. It's also great for freelance designers collaborating with clients, as it provides a platform to share progress and receive feedback. Overall, any team that uses Adobe Creative Cloud and needs a better way to manage and share assets will find Firefly Boards useful. Firefly Boards' advantages are clear. It fosters collaboration, making it easier for teams to work together and share feedback. The integration with Adobe Creative Cloud apps is seamless, allowing for a unified workflow. It's also very user-friendly, with an intuitive interface that makes managing and sharing assets a breeze. And since it's cloud-based, you can access your boards from anywhere, making it perfect for remote teams. However, Firefly Boards is not without limitations. Since it's not a standalone product, you need an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription to use it. Also, it primarily caters to users of Adobe's design tools, so those using other design software might find it less beneficial. Furthermore, while it's user-friendly, it may lack advanced project management features that some teams might require. In conclusion, Adobe Firefly Boards is a powerful tool for creative teams, offering seamless integration with Adobe Creative Cloud and facilitating collaboration. However, its dependence on Adobe subscriptions and a focus on Adobe users might be a limitation for some. If you're a part of a creative team already using Adobe's suite of apps, Firefly Boards could be a game changer for your workflow. For others, the value it provides might need to be weighed against its cost. Thank you for joining us in this analysis of Adobe Firefly Boards. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of creative tools. See you in the next video.